At Goodwood, a new MG Cyber GTS concept car was shown off, giving strong hints of a 2025 Cyberster coupe. MG has made it sound very likely that the Cyberster roof will be available next year. The MG Cyber GT concept will be shown at the 2024 Goodwood Festival of Speed. MG revealed a new concept car called the Cyber GTS at the Goodwood Festival of Speed to celebrate its 100th birthday. The Cyber GTS is basically a coupe version of the all-electric MG Cyberster Roadster. The Cyber GTS concept will be shown for the first time anywhere in the world at the MG stand. Along with the concept, a working version will also be driven up the famous Goodwood Hill climb and past this year's MG-themed central sculpture outside of Goodwood House. MG exploring the further potential for creating a new future for a GTS model in the era of electric cars, MG says of the Cyber GTS concept. It follows in the footsteps of the Cyberster, which is the world's first open-top EV two-seater to go into production. The dynamic model has 19-inch wheels and a new color called British Racing Green. The static model, on the other hand, has 20-inch wheels. People at Auto Express know that the Cyber GTS concept will be made, and that the Cyberster single-motor and dual-motor powertrains could be used in the car. Before the Goodwood Festival of Speed, Auto Express was the only publication that could talk to Joseph Cobbin, MG's new Vice President of Global Design Center, and Carl Gotham, Advanced Design Director for MG's parent company, SAIC Motor. It is a one-of-a-kind item. We had to be very careful not to give in anything. If you make this kind of car, you have to find the best balance between making it look good, making it work well, and making sure everything is perfect, Cobbin said. The Cyberster isn't meant to be a super sports car, it's meant to make everyone happy. When asked if a coupe version of the Cyberster was always in the plans, Gotham said, "The convertible has always been the main focus, but it does make room for a coupe. The Cyberster is meant to look like a sports car. We gave it sports car proportions and a design that makes people think of sports cars. Right now, we need that in EVs to get people interested in them." Cobbin said that the interior is still in the design process, but Gotham said that the Cyber GTS would have a 2+2 seating arrangement. "I think a lot of people who want the Roadster want the open-top experience without the noise of the engine. It's unique and different. For people who want the practicality of a 2+2 and more room, the coupe is for them." The technical details haven't been released yet, but in coupes, the fixed roof makes the structure more rigid, and engineers can remove frame strengthening in other places to save weight. They also tend to be better at reducing drag. Gotham confirmed that all of these things about the Cyber GTS are absolutely correct. In terms of making the Cyber GTS, MG is waiting for comments from the public, but Gotham hinted at a launch in 2025. The fixed-head MGB GT has been around for 60 years next year, and anything is possible.